Most of us think of bananas as a fruit to have on our cereal or as a healthy snack. However, for most of the developing world, 400 million people, in fact, depend on this fruit for most of their primary source of calories. Important around the world, Africans depend even more heavily on the banana. In countries like Rwanda and Uganda, the average banana consumption is about 500 pounds per person annually. This consumption is almost 20 times more than the average American. Put simply, if bananas vanish, people starve. There is an issue for the world's food supply. Multi-resistant microorganisms are now causing disease in wheat rust, Asian soybean rust, HLB disease in citrus crops, and most recently, the recurrence of resistant Panama disease in bananas. These all can have a major impact on the world's food supply. Fungi and bacteria are becoming resistant to traditional pesticides. Therefore, there is an urgent need for new fungicides and antibacterial agents. We have a solution at Trana Discovery.
Our ability to develop a rapid discovery platform is our offering. In this Project RAISE, we are specifically addressing the disease critically affecting the banana plant. The old wiltleaf disease of the 1950s is back, and this time the variation of the fungus is very lethal to the plant, and it is resistant to all known fungicides.
In the 1920s through the 1950s, the world's banana crop was almost entirely eliminated by this fungus. We avoided the destruction of all bananas by changing to planting a resistant variety of banana. However, there is now a resistant strain killing banana plants worldwide. This demonstrates how pathogens have the ability to mutate and to adapt to the old treatments, and therefore a new treatment where mutations are rare is necessary. What is required is a rapid discovery program to combat these new fungi. Trana Discovery is poised to answer this situation by using a platform that identifies a unique tRNA or transfer RNA required to build new proteins essential for a fungus to multiply and spread.
We can develop a screen that looks for inhibitors of that specific tRNA. By inhibiting that specific tRNA that is essential for the fungus to reproduce and multiply, we rob it of an essential protein, and by targeting just the anticodon stem loop, we can develop a new fungicide that will kill the fungus.
Today, the Food and Agriculture Organization of the UN has raised the threat level for this disease as having a major impact on the entire world food supply. With the funds raised, Trana will develop a platform in less than 12 months and bring about a discovery of a new fungicide at the end of that time. That lead discovery can then be licensed into an entire new class of fungicides capable of eliminating this fungal disease from the world's farms.
Trana Discovery has already proved our effectiveness in developing discovery platforms. We currently have one available for discovering antivirals for HIV and another antibiotics for Staph aureus. Our intellectual property is highly protected, and our excellent management team of 13 professionals each have an experience of over 35 years in either academia or in industry. The outcome of this specific fundraiser is to generate new antifungals that have never been exposed to the fungus that exists in the field today.
Additionally, with this new technology, we will be able to selectively rid the fields of resistant fungi in a very green fashion. Since these discoveries will be very targeted and will not sterilize a field, thereby robbing the plant of essential nutrients and trace elements that are supplied by the roots by beneficial fungi, molds, and beneficial yeasts.
Thank you for your attention today. With your help, we can avoid a disease that destroyed the banana crop for millions and millions of people.